Jammu Links News Top Stories is brought to you by Tasya Herbals alcohol-based hand sanitizer with neem and aloe vera extracts, helping India fight COVID-19. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh and Manoj Sinha, Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, inaugurated the first phase of Jammu Ring Road project on Friday, stating that the foundation of the project was led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2018. The governor said that if the project gets completed before time, a provision to give incentives can be formulated, the foundation stone of which was laid by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2018. BJP Jammu and Kashmir held a musical program Ek Sham Desh Ke Naam, marking the culmination of fortnight programs related to abrogation of controversial Article 370 and 35A at party headquarters Trikutanagar. Dr. Pankaj Chandel sang number of patriotic songs, who was accompanied by Saptarishi and company. Saptarishi also mesmerized the audience with his mimicry and jokes. BJP Jammu and Kashmir held a musical program Ek Sham Desh Ke Naam, marking the culmination of fortnight programs related to abrogation of controversial Article 370 and 35A at party headquarters Trikutanagar. Dr. Pankaj Chandel sang number of patriotic songs, who was accompanied by Saptarishi and company. Saptarishi also mesmerized the audience with his mimicry and jokes. Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, who is the chairman of Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board, paid obeisance at the Holy Cave Shrine of Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Ji and prayed for peace, progress and prosperity in Jammu and Kashmir. At Bhavan, the Lieutenant Governor inspected the arrangements made by the board for the pilgrims in view of the resumption of the Yatra on 16th of this month and asked the CEO that all the precautionary measures taken by the board in connection with the COVID-19 for the safety and security of the pilgrims and the Shrine Board staff should continue till the situation normalizes. An alert was issued by the Salal Power Station ahead of the opening of dam gates, asking people to stay away from Chenab river banks as water levels were likely to rise and affect Jammu and Kashmir's Riyasi district. The gates of the dam will be opened on August 21st from 2:30 p.m. due to which there will be an increase in the downstream water flow and level of river and also a decrease in the upstream of river at any point of time. 2,282 recoveries reported in the last 24 hours. India recorded the highest number of recoveries in a single day on Friday. With a total of 21,58,946 recoveries, India's recovery rate now stands at 74.28%. The gap between recovered patients and active COVID-19 cases has reached 14,66,918 today. The percentage of recoveries continues to rise steeply alongside the steady decline of the percentage of active cases. Friday prayers were offered in all mosques and shrines after remaining suspended for about 22 weeks following closure of religious places in Kashmir Valley since March to curtail the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. Prayers were offered in Jamia Masjid in downtown Srinagar, Hazrat Bal Shrine and mosques in accordance with the guidelines issued by the authorities, including social distancing and mandatory wearing of masks.